What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started in this video, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video at the end if you like it, and do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I post new videos. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if I've been in the dark. I think I've been in the dark because I did not know this existed. I was in Target the other day and I saw something that I had no clue about. One reason being is because I stopped using this foundation, but I'm kind of shocked that there are now darker shades in this foundation. And I'm late as hell because I saw that other people reviewed these shades last year. But what I'm talking about is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and they have darker shades. This is the matte and poreless, and I had no clue. The last shade I had was 360 Mocha, and that, you know, that really didn't fit my skin tone, and I honestly didn't like it. I didn't like the formula. I didn't like how it looked on my skin, but also at the same time, I wasn't really into makeup and making it blend and all that stuff. So probably it was user error, but that was the last shade that I even knew about. But I went ahead and picked up two shades because I really didn't know which shade was going to be the shade that matched me. So I went ahead and picked up two shades, and I picked up the color, I picked up 368 Deep Golden, and I picked up 370 Deep Bronze. Now, based on how these look, they look a little similar. They look very similar, I should say. They look very similar. One looks a little deeper than the other, and that's probably the Deep Bronze. But yeah, I'm surprised that they have. I didn't know, and I feel bad. But yeah, this can be found in Walgreens, Walmart, Target, CVS, wherever makeup products are sold. I just didn't know about this. I'm going to swatch the 368 on this side and the 370 on this side, and let's see which one blends better. I kind of think the 368 is my shade, but I'm not entirely sure. But before I do that, let me go ahead and prime my skin. I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Bliss. I keep saying Baby Bliss. The Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And I told you guys about this before. I do like this. It's very like, it's really nice. Like, it doesn't feel harsh on the skin. So I really do like that. And as you can see, I already did my eyes and I did my brows because I ain't got time for all that. This is the 368. It looks red in the camera, but it looks like a match to me. It looks real nice. I really don't go off of my neck. My neck is a little darker because I do have eczema. So sometimes I break out. I'm getting over a major breakout. So I can't really go by my neck because my neck would be a little darker. So yeah, it's blending in real nice. So I think the 368 may be my color. Let's see. And this is the 370. See, they look similar, and I'm looking in the viewfinder. The 370 does look a tad darker, and it's drying down darker. Yeah, it's drying down darker because you can see at the end, the edge, it's drying down dark. And this one is actually, well, this one is drying down dark too, but this one is actually melted into the skin. I actually think I can use either one because this one seems, the 368 seems more close to my complexion. So the 368 might be the best bet. Okay, so let me go ahead and color correct because it's medium coverage. I want to make sure my skin is even toned. So I'm gonna just make sure I cover up these dark spots. I'm gonna do a full face of the 368 and a full face of the 370 and see how that looks. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. All right, so this is the 370, and I'm gonna put it over here. One side I'm going to use a brush, the other side I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge, and let's see how that turns out. Yeah, I was just gonna say, I look so bronzed. Bitch, that's... Okay, yeah, so this one makes you look bronzy. Okay, the name does mean what it means then. Okay. I'm not mad at this one. I actually do like how it looks. The coverage is really nice. It doesn't look bad at all. And it applies real nice with the sponge as well, so... I look bronzy. And I'm gonna use my e.l.f. flat top sponge brush. I don't know if it's coming off orange on camera or what, but they are very similar. Like, you can't even tell. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, I did put on two different ones. You can't really tell. Huh. This side, okay. Y'all, Maybelline, I see it. This side looks golden. Okay, I see you. This side looks more bright, more golden. This side looks more deep and bronzy. That's what it is, and hence the name. But yeah, this side looks more golden. Oh, I see it now. I see it now. Okay. It doesn't seem heavy. It covered all of my dark spots. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at it at all. All right, so I am going to put on the rest of my makeup. Gotta fix that. I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna speed up the video because this is a quick video. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna come back and talk about the whole thing. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. And I must say, I cannot tell which one is the 368 and the 370. They both look really nice. I can't really tell, but when you highlight in not contour, when you highlight, when you whatever, when you do all your stuff, when you do everything, it actually comes out really nice. So if the color, because we have issues with color sometimes as far as foundation, once you blend everything together, you can actually make it look workable. So this actually matched. The 368 matched my more golden side, and the 370 matched, it was bronzy. It looks very outside beachy type something or other. But once I did everything looks cohesive, everything works. I like this foundation. I don't know if they changed the formula, like I said, or I just didn't know what I was doing back then. That was years ago. This looks like something. This looks good. Foundations, drugstore foundations are getting so much better, y'all. Do not think that you always have to buy high-end. Do not think that you have to start out with high-end stuff. There are some really affordable drugstore foundations that can actually work. And the Fit Me is about less than $6. It's like $5.70, $5.60, depending on where you're at. But this is really damn affordable. Really affordable. So check out the Fit Me. I am late, I know. I did not know that they came out with darker shades. I don't know where I've been. I did not know they came out with darker shades, but I am so glad that they did. Maybelline, you guys are awesome. I love the Fit Me. So glad that you added more shades, because the 360 did not match me. And I threw that shit away. But as of right now, I like them both. I think they are beautiful. I think they match. And I give them a thumbs up. Alright, y'all, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. And do not forget to check out my website, justbeher.com. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.